And I was standing at a stoplight, and all of a sudden, I think he was 35 miles, and he hit me from the back. I was in a big shock. I don't know what's going on till I see the police and the ambulance, and they brought me, in a stretcher to the hospital. And then maybe after a week, I start feeling, my back, and I was scared that somebody, gonna hit me or we hit somebody. It was like a trauma, When I called Goodman Acker, he promised me he gonna do everything he can to help me. He went to court, yes, and then he settled to pay all the bills, and everything is paid off now. If you need a firm, a lawyer, I advise them to come to Goodman Acker, yes, because they help us a lot. My favorite thing was the communication, the updates, that what's going on, and if we call, nobody was like cranky or rude or something. Everybody was nice, so I cannot complain about it. I don't think I could have done it without the attorney. I make a good decision with Goodman Acker.